part of the culture at NDSP. It's one of our 5 values. Fun is kind of multifaceted in NDSP. It's about taking pressure off staff and creating a good culture in the organisation, but it very much extends across our client-centric focus as well. At NDSP we've done a lot of work with people like Paralympics and Disability Sports Australia in the sport and participation space, and now we're reaching out in another important area in people's lives, and that is in the area of art and creativity. So what we've done in the office this morning is actually have a fairly large installation in our reception area, and we've used an artist, a guy called Graham Shaw, that takes lots of everyday materials and creates artwork around space. And one of the things in this theme that's very dear to our heart is that there should be no barriers for people with a disability. So we've actually used this installation in reception, plus a very large mural that occupies upstairs, where we have a big space where a lot of our client-facing staff are, to portray space with people with a disability involved. So there's effectively no barriers, it's limitless. Effectively, disability in space shouldn't exist, because there are ways and means for people with a disability to compensate for that. With this arts and creativity theme running through our fun events, it links very much to another stage of work we're doing where we're giving back to the disability community, and we're going to have a South Australian Living Arts Sala Festival event in these offices. So it's really great that we have a lot of existing art from organisations like Bedford in the office, and we've also got some clients who are artists that we've bought paintings from. So we're actually going to use this installation and just help people with a disability get involved in arts, and then we're going to display that as part of the South Australian Living Arts Festival. So it's really a way of NDSP being engaged with the broader community, with the disability community, and just helping people engage, participate, enjoy and live a better life.